If you're a game lover, this video is for you. Students are making $500 to $1,000 every week just by playing simple games with their mobile phones. You can see from my screen as I'm showing you, these are games that individuals are playing. Students, people, whoever, they are playing from different continents and they're making money. Look at how much this person made just this week just by playing games. The person is already making $800. The second person is already making $441. The third person is making $311. The fourth person $225 just by playing games this week. And to top it all, they don't only make money by playing that game, they make extra bonuses. This website gives you extra bonuses if you play these games. So the first person gets to enjoy $500 for being the first position on the platform for the week. The second person gets to enjoy $300 just for being the second best game player of the week. The third person gets to enjoy $200 bonus just by being the third best game player of the week. So look at how much these people are making every week just by playing games with their phones. So you can see the first person is already making $800 plus $500. That's $1,300 every week just by playing simple games. So you can see, and these bonuses go right up to the 100th position. So this is what you can make every week just by playing game. If you're a game lover, this video I'm bringing is for you. Stick around because you don't want to miss any of these. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, do well to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I bring a new video to you. I've tested this platform myself. I have an account, an active account that I created a few days ago, and I've made a couple of dollars just by doing simple tasks. I'm not really a game player, but and this platform is called Timebox. Timebox is the top paying platform when it comes to games. So I'm gonna be navigating through the platform and explaining to you all the things that you need to do in order to sign up and how to play the best games on the platform. I already have an account. And you can see my name on it. I've made a couple of dollars for the past few days. And what you need to do, the steps you need to do is create an account with a Gmail, not your personal Gmail address. You can create a new Gmail address and sign up to the platform. So after you sign up with your Gmail address, there are other tasks to do. But today I'm focusing on games. So I'm going to be diving straight into games. When you come on the platform, you sign up on the dashboard, you come to N, you click on N. You click on N, you get to see games, surveys, tags, offer was. So let's click on games. Okay. These are the gaming partners that you see on the website. You have Torux, you have BitLabs, you have Prime N, you have A8 Studios, you have My Chips. So the best gaming partners that will advise you to choose your games from are Torux and BitLabs. They offer the most money on games. And when you scroll down, you can see the current leader of the week, the people that are playing games. As I showed you before, these are the top players of the week, of people that have played game, and they are in the first to the 100 position. And if you scroll down, you see the one for Torux. The people that are in the first, Torux is also giving extra bonuses for people for the first, second, third to, I think, to the 20th position. So you can see the bonuses that they're enjoying for each gaming. Each gamer is enjoying just by playing these games. So let's forget about the bonuses first and come to the games. When you come on here, you see get paid to play game. Choose from any of the gaming partners below and try the largest games. 2,000 bonus pool every week. They offer a $2,000 bonus every week, as I explained to you guys. So as I said before, the best game partners that you can choose from is Torux and BitLab. Let's open Torux. For example, let's say you want to play a game from Torux. When you go on Torox, you get to see their games and how much they are willing to pay you for each games. This one is willing to pay you 38,000 cents. This one is willing to pay 10,000. This one is willing to pay 28,000. Grand Mafia. You see the different amounts that they are willing to pay you, and you choose the one that is you can play, and make sure to read the requirements of the game. And most times they'll tell you if it's a game that is for Android or iPhone users. But I will advise you, if you want to play games, use Android phone, because Android phone has more games. You have more advantages of playing games on Android phone, and you you'll not have difficulties of lagging or tracking issues when playing the games as compared to iPhone. iPhone usually has tracking issues. So if you want to play games, I'll advise you to stick to Android phones. So when you look on the games, you get to see the logo of the phone that you need to use in order to play the game. Here you can see Android, Magnum Minor, you can use iPhone, Wishing Well, you can use Android phone. So you get to see. Okay, let's leave Thoros and go to BitLabs. Come on BitLabs and check out the games that they are offering. Okay, when you come on BitLab here, you see Android or iPhone. They will ask you to choose between an Android phone, an iPhone, or an iPad. And as I said before, I'll always advise you to use an Android phone. I'm going to choose Android phone, and I get to see how much they're willing to pay me for each games. Animals and Coins, they're willing to pay $19. Match Restaurant, they're willing to pay $9. Call of Dragons, they're willing to pay $565. Gambling Miner, they're willing to pay $1,324. That's what they are willing to pay for a particular game. Sea of Conquest, they are willing to pay $33. So on and so forth. And if you go there, you get to meet different ones. If you have just iPhone, you can also select iPhone. Let's deselect Android and select iPhone. And you get to see the offers that you can play on iPhone. So you get to see, and before you play any game, make sure to read the requirements of the game. What you're going to do is, for example, let's say Call of Dragons. You come to click on Call of Dragons and you read the requirements for you to play the game, the step by step process. So they'll tell you, you install the game, you complete the tutorial, you earn 0.07 cents, you upgrade to level 8, you they offer you 0.11 cents, you reach power 300, they offer you so and so, and make sure to stick to the rules of the game. For here now, they said reach power 1 million complete within 3 days. Meaning, if you're serious about the game, you need to reach this particular level within 3 days. If it exceeds 3 days, your game will be cancelled, or probably they will not give you the 2.80 cents that is rewarded for that particular level. So you have to make sure you follow the rules of the game. That's how you'll be making money on Timebox. As I said before, these two game partners. They are the most rewarding game partners on Timebox, Thorax and BitLab. If you want to try the others, for example, Prime N, you can try them, but I would advise you to stick the ones that are offering the best money. You can see, let's go to the current ladder, the ladder that I showed you. Let's say last week winners. These are last week people that played and the top winners, how much they made on the platform. The first person made $1,775 and he earned extra bonus of $500. The second person made $1,592 and he made extra $300. And let me check the games that this person played to make this amount of money. So sometimes you can click on the person's name to see the kind of games they are playing and how they are playing them to make that kind of money. So you get to know the games that you can also play and make money. So the person has earned from bonus click, bonus clicks, bonus clicks. Most of his stuffs are bonus click. Okay. Offer well, store works. You can see the person's ladder, how he's making the money, how the person has been making money from the platform. And what's so surprising is the fact that the person registered on the platform 12 days ago. Can you see that? So this person made close to $2,000 just within a week. This person made close to 2,000, close to $3,000. What am I saying? That's $2,800. This person made $2,800 within a week just by registering 12 days ago. You can see, because when you register on the platform, you see your registration day, the country you're from, your lifetime earnings, and your commissions and total referrals that you've made. So you can see how much people are making if you're committed on the platform, how much you can actually make from this platform. Look, if you go down, you get to see how much everybody's earning. And from the 13th person, you get to earn extra $10. $10. You get to see all the people earning extra money on the platform just by playing games. And let me tell you, you can make more than more than more than $500 in a week. You just saw what I showed you. Somebody's making over $2,000 in a week just by playing simple games on these platforms. And beside games, there are other things that you can enjoy on the platform, such as surveys. You can do surveys and you make money. These are surveys: $1, 0.27 cents, 0.98 cents. Apart from surveys, you can do tax, one tax, and you get to see different tax. Sign up to a website and they'll give you so and so amount. Simple website tags, sign up and install, claim reward, like Timebox Facebook page, join Telegram channel, and you get to see the amount they're willing to offer you for doing these simple tasks. A sweet deal in it is that if you get to log in every day on the platform, they give you extra bonuses. So I've been logging in. I started 3 days ago, so I've logged in 3 times and I've gained some bonuses. And when you log in to a certain level, you get to start earning from $10 every day just by logging in. So you get to see how much you're logging in day one, day two, day three, day four, day five, day six, and so on and so forth. And from day 61, that is like 2 months. If you're consistent on the platform and you're logging in every day, and make sure when you're logging in, you're consistent. You don't want to log in today and tomorrow you forget to log in. No, it's not going to work like that. You start back from day one. So if you want to take this serious, when you log in on the first day, make sure to log in on the second day, the third day, and so on and so forth. Make sure, if you don't want to forget about it, you can put it as a reminder on your phone that at this particular hour every day I'm going to log in on Timebox. So you get to enjoy extra reward. And if you're consistent for 2 months, from 2 months upward, you get to earn extra $1, extra one point something dollars, so and so on and so forth, just by logging in and not doing anything, just logging in on the platform. And also, you get to make money by clicks. So you get to click on ads. If you click on ads, you get to make money. So look at Prime Survey ads. I'm just gonna click on this so you get to see. You hear the sound. That's the sound of what I just made. When you click, you make so and so amount. And hourly crown, you get to make bonuses by claiming the hourly count. So you get to see different people that are making money. This person, South African person, just made 2.70 cents on the platform in this particular hour. So you get to claim hourly count. In order for you to claim the hourly count, you have to make at least $1 every day. So you get to see people that are making this hourly count: South Africans, Gambia, Egypt, Brazil, Nigeria, Turkey. See the flags of different people. This person is from Nigeria, this person is from Turkey, this person is from South Africa, this other person is from Gambia, and so on. You get to see how much you're making in a day just by clicking on the hourly count. So the highest person has made $22 just by clicking on this hourly crown. Nothing else, just by clicking on it and making sure they make $1 every day. That person has made $22. And you get to make money also from bonus clicks. Bonus clicks is also something that you make money from. There are endless opportunities on the platform, but we're dwelling on games, so I'm gonna end from end here because it's games that can give you a lot of money. All these other ones can give you $3, $5, $20, $15. But game is the real deal. If you want to make a lot of money on this platform, gaming is the real deal. It's a thing that is going to make you huge amounts of money on the platform. And you can also make money from referrals. You can refer a friend. And as I said in before, I'm gonna leave my referral link for you guys. If you want to sign up, please do well to click on my referral link and you enjoy some sign up bonuses by using my referral link. And thank you all so much in advance. What I would advise you is don't go for a game because you saw that the game has a lot of money. For example, the game that we saw that has $1,300. It might be very difficult for you to complete. It will be better you go for games that can pay $50, $100, $200, and that are easier for you to complete in a short period of time than for you to focus on a game that will take you weeks and weeks in order for you to complete. So make sure you keep that in mind when you are selecting a particular game. And also, make sure you don't use a VPN when you're playing this game because they do have a tracking system. They'll ask you to to track the games. You need to go on the settings of on your phone and you turn on tracking so the game can be tracked properly with your phone. That is why I said you should use Android phone because Android phone they can easily track your progress when you're playing the game. So make sure to use an Android phone and turn on your tracking and read the rules of the game. You don't want to waste your time playing a game without reading the rules and later on you say you were not rewarded because you didn't follow the rules of the game. And the bonuses, that is the icing on the cake. The bonuses. If you're a good game player, make sure to put in the work. If you're a good game player and you are among the first 5 people every week playing these games, you enjoy extra bonuses. You saw that person that was the first person of the week. The person has a $500 bonus. The second person has a $300 bonus. The third person has $200 bonus just by being the third for the week. So the icing on the cake is you don't just get to make money by playing the games, you get to enjoy free bonuses by playing these games. So guys, that's the end of this video. Do not forget to use my referral code in order for you to sign up. And if you have any questions concerning playing the games or anything on the platform, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thank you all. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on your notification in order to get notified each time I bring a new video to you. And thank you all so much for sticking around with me. I know this journey just started, but I can't wait for us to grow, get to 1,000 subscribers, 100k subscribers, and so on and so forth. Love you all. Thank you all, and see you in our next video.